Welcome to Paarl, one of South Africa's best-kept secrets, tucked away in the Cape Winelands, just 45 minutes from Cape Town. With its breathtaking mountain views, rolling vineyards, and rich heritage, Paarl offers more than just beauty, it offers opportunity. Famous for its award-winning wine estates like Nederburg and Laborie, Paarl is a dream for foodies and wine lovers alike. But there's more here than just fine living. Paarl is also rapidly growing as a hub for commercial and industrial business. Its strategic location along the N1 highway offers excellent access to Cape Town, the Northern Suburbs, and the rest of the Boland. That makes Paarl ideal for logistics, manufacturing, agri-processing, and distribution. Modern industrial parks and flexible commercial spaces are attracting entrepreneurs, SMEs, and large-scale operations looking for affordable alternatives to the city. From sunrise over the mountains to the hum of a thriving economy, Paarl is more than a destination, it's where potential lives.
For more information, contact Anvil Property Smith today.